McKinsey just released their 2024 report. 400 million jobs will vanish by 2027. That is not speculation. That is their data. OpenAI's Sora can now generate video in seconds. One prompt replaces entire video production teams. Adobe reports 61% of creative roles at risk. Accounting positions are collapsing fastest. Intuit's AI now files taxes automatically. 47,000 tax preparers face displacement this year alone. Customer service is already decimated. Salesforce automation cuts support teams by 70%. Your job might be next. Check if your role involves repetitive data work. Check if AI can learn it in weeks. Check your salary against automation ROI. Banks are replacing loan officers with AI systems. One system processes 1,000 applications hourly. JPMorgan deployed Coin in 2017. It replaced 360 junior analysts immediately. Your paycheck is on the line right now. Upskill or become obsolete. The timeline is not 10 years out anymore. The timeline is 36 months. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.